From 1789 to 1815, the United States underwent transformative changes. The ratification of the Constitution established a robust central government, while the Whiskey Rebellion tested its authority, showcasing the federal government's power to maintain order. The quasi-war with France highlighted the nation's emerging diplomatic stance, resolved without full-scale conflict. The Louisiana Purchase doubled the country's size, paving the way for westward expansion. Then came the War of 1812, a fight for national honor and trade rights against Britain. Key figures like George Washington set precedents as the first president, while Thomas Jefferson championed individual liberties and territorial growth. Alexander Hamilton laid the groundwork for the financial system, and John Adams navigated tricky diplomatic waters. This era saw the rise of political parties, with Federalists and Republicans shaping the landscape of American politics. The establishment of the Supreme Court under Chief Justice John Marshall solidified judicial power, while the Lewis and Clark expedition opened new frontiers. Through these events, a distinct national identity emerged, balancing federal authority with the rights of individuals.